Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 grades. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 Grades. Okay, this is the title of assignment. First, I have increased the font size of this title for a proper view in my video. Okay. Now you can see under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on question number 1. Okay, first we will increase the font size of this instruction file for a proper view in my video and you can understand very well. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 ML2 grades. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from MATLAB Pearson dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson MATLAB dashboard portal. Now I am opening my Excel workbook. Click on this Excel workbook, then we will click on enable editing button. Okay, now we will move on. Next question is question number 2. The question number 2 of this assignment is that a pie chart is an effective way to visually illustrate the percentage of the class that earned A, B, C, D and F grade. The main point of this question will be starting here. Use the insert tab to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below the student data in the range F35 to G39 and move the picture chart to its own sheet name distribution. Basically in this question we will have to insert we will have to create a pie chart from the final grade distribution data located below. Okay, using this range we will go select this range F35 to G39 and then we will go to our Excel workbook, select this range, we will go to the insert tab. In the charts group we will click on the all charts button, go to the pie chart, we will create a pie chart using this range. Click on OK button. Pie chart will be created. Now move the pie chart to its own sheet name distribution. We will copy this name and then we will move this chart to its own sheet is distribution. We will go to the location group, click on move chart button and then we will click on new sheet. The new sheet name is distribution. Click on OK button. This chart will be moved on. A new sheet is distribution. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 3. The next question is that you should enter a chart title to describe the purpose of the chart. You will customize the pie chart to focus on a particular slice. Okay, the first point of this question is that apply the style 1 chart style. Then enter ACC 2010 fall 2027 for the chart title. Then explode the A slide, grade slide, slice by 7%. Third is that change the F grade slice to dark red. Then we will remove the legend. The first point of this question is that we will apply the style 1 chart style. We will go to chart and go to the chart design tab. In the chart style group we will apply chart 1 style on this chart. Okay. Now we will enter ACC 2010 fall 2027 for the chart title. We will add a chart title. We will copy and simply paste here. I will type here ACC 2010 fall 2027 fall 2027. Okay, this is the chart title. Now explode the A grade slice by 7%. We will click on the A grade slice and then right click on this, click on format data series and then simply explode the slide 7%. Okay, we will close the task pane. Now the next question is that change the F grade slice to dark red. Change the F grade slice to dark red. We will go to the home tab, selected F grade slice. In the font group, click on the fill color and then we will apply dark red fill color on F grade slice. Now remove the legend. Simply we will remove the legend. Click on the chart element button and click on legend checkbox. The legend will be removed on this chart. Okay. So we will move on. Next question is question number 4. The question number 4 is that a best practice is to add alt text for accessibility compliance. Add alt text. Most students earn B and C grades. Simply, we will have to add a alt text on this chart. We will copy this text and we will go to our chart. Right click on this chart. Click on alt text chart. Okay. Now we will enter all taxes here. Earn most students earn B and C grades. B and C grades. B and C grades. Okay, close the task pane. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. The question number 5 is that you want to add data labels to indicate the category and percentage the class that earn each letter grades. Add data labels inside and position. Select data labels option to display percentage and category name. Remove the value data labels. The first point of this question is that add data label in the inside and position. Okay, click on the chart element, go to the data labels and inside and position. Click on the inside and position. Data label will be show inside and position. Now select data labels option to display percentage and category name. Remove the value data labels. Simply now we will select data labels option to display percentage and category name. We will go to the chart elements. Okay, or we will go to the data format series and then we will show category name percentage. Okay, we will click on category name checkbox and percentage checkbox and then we will remove the value data labels. We will remove the value data labels. Close the task pane. Now we will move on. Next question. You can see I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. The next question of this assignment is that apply 18 point size, apply black text one font color to the data labels. Simply we will select data labels and then we will apply 18 point font size and then apply black text one color. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on 18 point font size and then go to the font color and then we will apply black text font color in the font group. Okay, now we will move on. Next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 7. Okay, you want to create a bar chart to depict grades for a sample of the student in the class. Create a cluster bar chart using the range A5 to D5 and A18 to D23, the grades worksheet. Move the bar chart to its own sheet named sample scores. Basically in this question we will create a cluster bar chart using this range A5 to D5. We will select this range, go to the grade sheet, we will enter this range. This range will be selected. Now we will press enter and then we will select the second ranges. Now we will press Ctrl and then select second range is A18 to D23. Okay. Okay, we will go to the insert tab. In the charts group, open charts box and then we will insert cluster bar chart. Click on OK button. Cluster bar chart will be created now. Okay, the next point is that so we will move the bar chart to its own sheet named sample scores. Okay. So we will move the bar chart to its own sheet. We will go to the location group. We will go to the location group, click on new sheet. New sheet name is sample score. Click on OK button. The next question of the assignment is question read. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you can down your assignment by watching this video. Customize the bar chart with these specifications. Style 5 chart style. Legend on the right side in 11-point font size. Light gradient SN2. Fill color to the plot area. Okay. The first point of this question is that we will apply style 5 chart. Go to our chart in the chart design tab in the chart style group. Click on chart, apply chart 5 style on this chart. Okay. Now legend on the right side in 11-point font size. We will go to the chart element, click on legend button and then apply right side legend. Okay. Now we will go to the home tab in the font group. We will apply 14 font size on the legend. The next point is that apply light gradient SN2 fill color to the plot area. Okay. We will go to the chart, click on the plot area, right click on plot area, click on format data, task pane. Okay. And then go to the gradient fill and we will apply light gradient SN2 fill color to the plot area. The next question of this assignment is question number 9. The chart needs a descriptive title. Enter sample test score for the chart title. We will copy this title and then we will go to the chart, click on chart title. We will enter this title is sample score, sample test scores. Sample test score is a chart title. Okay, now we will move on. Next question is question number 10. You can see display the exact score would help clarify the data in the chart. Add data labels in the outside and position for all data series. Format the final exam data series with dark blue fill color. The first point of this question is that add data label in the outside and position for our data series. Go to the chart element button, click on data label, click on outside and position. Now data label will be outside and position for the all series. Now format the final exam data series with dark blue fill color. The final exam data series is a green. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on the fill color, apply dark blue fill color. Okay, I have done 10 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question of this assignment is 20. I have done 60 to 70% of assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. My email is given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.